Hello, students. Today we are going to do the basic terms of a circle. First of all, we must know what is the circle. So, always remember circle is the path of all those points which lie at a fixed distance, or you can say constant distance, from a given point. मीनिंग सर्कल क्या है? सर्कल इज अ पाथ ऑफ सम पॉइंट्स, बट वो पॉइंट्स कैसे हैं? जो किसी गिवन पॉइंट से फिक्स्ड डिस्टेंस पर लाई कर रहे हैं. सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेक दिस वन पॉइंट एंड नाउ वी विल मार्क some points which lie at a fixed distance from this point. मीनिंग इन सब पॉइंट्स का डिस्टेंस जो है इस गिवन पॉइंट से क्या होना चाहिए? सेम. एंड व्हेन आई ज्वाइन दीज पॉइंट्स आई विल गेट अ सर्कल. एंड this given point is called the center of circle. And the fixed distance is called radius of circle. So radius of a circle is the distance between the center and a point lying on the boundary of the circle. And length of all radii of a circle are equal. All radii of a circle are of equal length. The next term for a circle is chord. Now, there are so many points lying on the boundary of the circle. Like this. So, chord is, what is chord? If we join any two points on the boundary of the circle, we get a chord. Suppose I join this point A to point B. I will get a chord. So chord is a line segment which joins any two points lying on boundary of circle. And a circle can have infinite chords. We can draw infinite chords in a circle. But the longest chord of the circle is called its diameter. Now what does the diameter do? It divides the circle into two equal parts. Named as semicircle. उन two equal parts को we call semicircle. and diameter is always equal to double of radius. So here chord PQ is known as diameter of circle because this is the longest chord. Similarly, we can draw many chords which pass through the center. So what is the speciality for diameter? It is the longest chord and it passes through the center of the circle. And diameter is always equal to double of radius. Diameter is equal to 2 multiplied by the radius of the circle. Next term is circumference. The length of the complete boundary of a circle is called its circumference. And a part of its boundary is called an arc. So arc is a piece or a part of the boundary of a circle. Next is segment. Very important term. Segment and sector of circle. First of all, remember these both are the part of a circle, but इनका division जो है that is different. We can see when we draw a chord in a circle. Here A, B is the chord of the circle and O is the center of the circle. So now this chord AB is dividing the circle into two parts. These two parts are called segments. So we can say that a part of circle, this is an arc and this is chord. A part of circle enclosed between an arc and a chord of circle is called segment. And the part of the circle which contains the center is called major segment. So a part of circle which contains its center, meaning जिस part में center आएगा, that is called major segment. So here major segment is this one and minor segment is this. So part containing the center is major segment, otherwise minor segment. And you can remember when we eat food, the bite of your chapati is called segment. And for sector, you can remember that a piece of pizza, a slice of pizza is sector. Here, a part of circle for a sector, we can say that a part of circle enclosed between. अब ये part किसके बीच में enclosed है? Again AB is a arc and OA is radius, OB is also radius. So a part of circle enclosed between two radii and an arc is called sector of circle. And division of major and minor sectors depend on the central angle. If central angle is greater than 180 degree, then it is a major segment. Sorry, major sector. Otherwise, minor sector. In given circle, there are two sectors. One, the minor sector is this one, because the central angle is less than 180 degree, and the other sector meaning जो above part है और the other part or second part of this circle is major sector, because here this one angle is greater than 180 degree. Similarly, for segment we can say this one is major segment and this one is minor segment. And when you draw a circle in a plane, it divides the plane into three parts. First part is exterior of circle, then the circle and interior of a circle. So these were the some basic terms for this chapter.